Hey everyone, Ryan Nielsen here. Thank you so much for taking the time to check out my channel. I'm here today to tell you about a new ChatGPT based multi-autoresponder called MassContactAI. This 3-in-1 autoresponder gets 95% open rates and 1,000 plus clicks daily. So before we get into this new product that just launched today, at any time during this review of MassContactAI, you can go ahead and click the link in the description below this video and it will take you directly to my bonus page, which we're going to look at next. And then when we get done with that, I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up MassContactAI and how it works. So once you click the link in the description below this video, it'll take you directly to this page, which is my bonus page. And I'm just going to scroll down a little bit and let you know right away that if you get your copy today, you will have access to a 30% off coupon code for the front end and all of the funnel. 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, this coupon for 30% off expires. So let's take a look at all the bonuses that you're going to be getting just by picking up the front end or any of the one-time offers for MassContactAI. Bonus number 1 is a full GPT masterclass, and in this 20 video series, you're going to understand how to operate the basics of ChatGPT. And once you've done that, you'll be able to overcome a blank screen when you need to produce content or need to produce elements in your business that would otherwise be difficult to construct from scratch. Bonus number 2 is Traffic Booster Secret. Now, discover top secret tips and strategies to get tons of traffic and boost your sales. Use this guide to solve all your traffic problems and get an avalanche of targeted visitors bombarding your sites and offers day in and day out. All you need to know about traffic and why it is so important. Find out everything about top free traffic sources and how to use them to grow your business. Explore how to attract paid traffic that converts. Discover the types of content that will boost your traffic and engagement. Find out how to increase organic traffic to your site. SEO strategies. Explore how to drive traffic to your website through social media. Find out how to use email marketing to generate more traffic. Discover how to use YouTube to drive traffic to your website. Explore high impact strategies for getting more traffic for your e-commerce store. Explore how to check website traffic for any site. And then bonus number 3, sorry, is Viral Vidly. This 100% cloud-based app is the first of its kind to insert any ad into any existing video, which makes this a zero-cost ad system. That's right, you don't pay for your ads. Your videos can be uploaded to any video sharing sites such as Facebook, Vimeo, Dailymotion, and YouTube, etc. Since you can use proven top videos, you'll be able to get viral traffic and your ads inside while getting more free visitors. Step 1, locate top videos from YouTube in any niche. Step 2, with just a few clicks, you can insert your ads inside those viral videos. Step 3, you can render and share your new viral videos on social media to make your links and ads go viral. Bonus number 4 is Vidmazon. This is the best way to make easy sales. It's a brand new cloud-based app that automatically creates videos for Amazon products, optimizes for top rankings, gets you free traffic, and makes you Amazon affiliate commissions while you sleep. So with Vidmazon, creating traffic, getting videos that make you big affiliate commissions is simple. Step 1, enter any keyword into Vidmazon. Step 2, click on the product you want to promote. Step 3, Vidmazon optimizes and uploads your video. Step 4, get free traffic and make money. So those are all my bonuses. Bonus number 5 is the vendor bonuses valued at over $1,000. There's 10 of them, and we'll just run through those real quick. These are all fast action bonus taker bonuses. So bonus number 1 is obviously the commercial license is going to be available for everyone during the launch only. And that goes away after the launch ends, which I believe is June 6th at 11:59 Eastern Standard Time. Fast action bonus number 2 is 5 done-for-you campaigns, only available during the launch period. Number 3 is 100 ChatGPT prompts. That's going to be very helpful. Number 4 is referral marketing. Number 5 is omni-channel marketing. Number 6 is the Unshakable Super Affiliate. Number 7 is Email Energizer. 8 is 100 autoresponder marketing emails. 9 is a social traffic plan. And 10 is digital agency. So all of these can be found at the bottom of the sales page. And again, when you click the link in the description below this video, it'll take you directly to this bonus page. And here you can click on any of the yellow buttons and then it will take you directly over to the sales page. So here I am inside of the MassContact AI system. And as you can see, there's training modules up here, and there's a menu on the left-hand side to show you what you need to do. And then they've got 24/7 help and supports if you need some help with any of the processes. I think right out of the gate, the first thing you need to understand and know that before you can send any messages or emails, you'll have to get your server configured using the SMS API gateway, mail configuration, your SMT list, and your WhatsApp settings. And then you go over to adding your contacts. And what you will first do is like for phone book contacts, is to set up a group, which is easy to do. Just click on this little plus button and name your group. And then click submit. So whatever you name it, doesn't matter. Now you have a group to send all your contacts to. For your phone, for your SMS. Same thing goes for email, and the same thing goes for WhatsApp. Well, WhatsApp would be also included. It's either phone or email. And there's also templates that you have access to. Email templates, SMS templates. And here's the list. Actually, I don't have any data because I've not purchased this product yet. So I want to go ahead and turn it over to Tom so that he can show you a better overview of MassContact AI and how it works. And I just think, once you get in here and start looking around and watch some of the videos, and you'll see that you'll be able to get this set up in a short amount of time. It's not going to be that hard. Okay, we're back on my bonus page. You scroll down through it, you'll see stuff that's on the sales page, as well as the video sales letter here if you want to watch that. Here's the timer. Again, this expires on June 6th at 11 p.m. or 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So here are the overview of what it's about, who it's perfect for, and here are the prices and upsells. So starting front end price is $17, and then you get a code to get 30% off. I try this code anyway, no matter what time of day it is today. And then here are the one-time offers. And each of these have commercial license. And if you want to get it without commercial license, then the price is $10 lower. So that's why there's two prices on each of these one-time offers. Okay. And then there's a reseller edition, which would be a nice thing if you're an agency, or if you have customers that you want to sell products to, you can sell this to them. So the basic benefits: it's proven high quality product. Tom's did a really good job with this. They've got real life results, real people already using the software. It's the world's first AI powered multi-channel autoresponder for email, SMS, WhatsApp, and you can send unlimited messages and text without any restrictions, getting banned or manually writing anything. You can use ChatGPT for everything, and then just edit things to your liking as you need to. And then we've already gone over the bonuses. So you get to this bonus page with a link in the description below this video. Take you directly here. Click on any of the yellow buttons. Takes you directly to the sales page. And inside of the sales page, you'll get a coupon for $3 off on the front end just by clicking, to get started, or trying to click away. I think it'll get, here it is. This one's Mass 3 off, and then don't get confused because the 30% off coupon is Mass 30 off, okay? And inside Warrior Plus, once you have your account set up and you get your purchase, you'll get a thank you email, and then you can pull up to access your purchase in the green button, and then to access my bonuses, you just click the blue button. It'll take you to my bonus page. So thank you so much for sticking with me and taking the time to watch my review of MassContact AI. And if you like what you see here and you want to see more of my upcoming digital product reviews and trainings, go ahead and click the subscribe button. And if you want to add any comments, that would be helpful as well. Thanks a lot, and make it a great day.